Alright, YouTube. Got one already in. That's the old one. That's the new one. Here they go in action. They bright though, boy. Yes, sir. The old one, new one. Pretty self-explanatory. You pull this back. That comes off. That's stubborn. But you got three screw nuts, which are these. One at the top, two at the bottom. And it fits right in there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably tint them. Probably get them tinted like around the chrome area, like right here. Or maybe just get the whole thing like a light tint. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what should I do. Should I leave them like they are since they chrome here? Or should I just go ahead and do the light tint? Let me know in the comment. Like, comment, share, subscribe. C-Mac 300C Hemi. I'm out.